All right, here we go.
Okay, are we recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Sounds good. So we got sine squared of x, and I'm looking for the third derivative. Right? Third derivative, so the first derivative using the chain rule is what, Thomas?
2 sine x.
Times the derivative of sine, which is
Times negative cosine x.
positive cosine of x. Yeah, it's okay. It's a good joke. Right? So here we go. If I take the next derivative, then I have to use what rule? The product rule, right? But my hint says, remember the double angle formula. What do we notice about 2 sine x cosine x? What is that?
Sine 2x.
That's the sine of 2x. And the reason I bring that up is that the sine of 2x is much easier to find that derivative with the chain rule than it is using the product rule for the other one. So the second derivative then is going to be 2 times, Thomas, what's the derivative of sine? Cosine, correct. And then cosine of what?
2x.
2x. Where did this first 2 come from? The first 2 came from the chain rule, right? So cosine is derivative of sine, and then 2 is the derivative of 2x. And now I can find the third derivative fairly quickly as well, because 2 times 2 is 4. And what's the derivative of cosine, Thomas?
Negative sine.
So negative sine of 2x. Alright, does that make sense? That's a lot faster than doing the product rule a couple times. And then, even if we did do the product rule a couple times over, you don't get something that matches up with the original answer, so then you have to use your formulas to try to convert back. And it's harder to convert back. It's much easier to convert right at the beginning and go from there. Okay. So, there you go.
Can you stop it?
Yeah, press the red button.